dignitaries, I request all of you to kindly take your seats. Saluting our motherland and invoking the celestial blessings. Happiness, joy, a sense of pride, and a sense of achievement are just some of the words that we all are experiencing at this historical moment at the opening and the closing ceremony of Gujarat Kenswell Challenge 2011 today, ladies and gentlemen. I would now invite Mr. Sameer Sinha, Managing Director, Kenswell Golf and Country Club, to kindly come and take the podium and address everybody. Please welcome Mr. Sameer Sinha. Thank you so much, Mr. Sinha, for those very, very motivating words. Ladies and gentlemen, the European Challenge Tour making its historic visit to India, and what better way to begin than the Gujarat Kenswell Challenge 2011, celebrating golf with all its sportsmanship, integrity and talent. The past few days, of course, we've seen the best competing against the brightest, where best of the strategies must have been made to earn as many birdies, eagles, albatross. Well, those words, those terminology, I'm sure, must have been coined by somebody who must have been greatly influenced by the bird fraternity. Ladies and gentlemen, I now would like to invite Mr. Alain de Soltray, Director, European Challenge Tour, to kindly come and share his experiences with all of us here. Please welcome Mr. Alain de Soltray with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir, and we certainly hope to have you here next year as well. Ladies and gentlemen, as Mr. Sinha just mentioned, this is indeed a new era of golf tourism, ushering it into the state of Gujarat. And golf today, as we all know, is not just a game, it's a new age lifestyle. And as they say, that many business deals are struck on the fairways and the greens with the stroke of the club. Ladies and gentlemen, I now invite Mr. Jagshay Shah, Managing Director, Savvy Infrastructures, to come and share his thoughts with all of us. Please welcome Mr. Jagshay Shah. Thank you so much, Mr. Shah. And as he correctly put forward, the Kenswell Golf and Country Club accomplishing a social mega cause of providing employment opportunities to the local natives, preparing them and grooming them to take up the challenge of such a mega event like this. Ladies and gentlemen, now that moment for which we all have been anxiously waiting for, ever since the inception of Gujarat Kenswell Challenge 2011, the crowning of the winners of this international event. The prize distribution ceremony, for which I would like to invite Mr. Jose Maria Zamora, Tournament Director, European Challenge Tour, to kindly come on the stage and announce the winners of Gujarat Kenswell Challenge 2011. Please welcome Mr. Jose Maria Zamora. The pride of India, Gaganjeet Bholar there, and the pride of Gujarat Kenswell Challenge 2011. Many, many congratulations to you. And of course, a bright, beautiful future ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, Gujarat today is not just the #1 state of India, but is ranked among the top states of the world when we speak about success, development and progress. And the credit of which entirely goes